crash involved a car and a semi-truck, but no other details have been released just yet. A bipartisan group of senators have signed on to a health care bill to stabilize the health insurance market. This bill would continue to fund the subsidy payments to insurance companies that President Trump said he was ending last week. NBC4's Washington correspondent Jessica Smith talked to both Ohio senators about this plan. She joins us live from our nation's capital.
Well, Senator Brown and Senator Portman both had positive things to say about this plan. Neither senator has signed on as a co-sponsor yet, but so far, a bipartisan coalition of 24 lawmakers is on board.
Democratic Senator Sherrod Brown says it's about time a bipartisan bill is finally on the table.
The bipartisan plan makes sense. It's what a lot of us have asked for all along.
Republican Senator Rob Portman, who still wants to eventually repeal and replace Obamacare, says he's still looking at the Alexander Murray bill.
I think it's not part of the fundamental reform we ought to do, but I think it's something that may be necessary in the short run.
Last week, President Trump said he's ending subsidy payments, or CSRs. The payments to insurance companies help reduce the cost of health care for low-income people. Portman said if the CSR payments stop, insurers expect premiums to go up 34% in Ohio next year.
They've said if you continue the CSRs, then the cost increase will be 23%. Still unacceptably high, but 11% lower.
The plan would also give states more flexibility to opt out of certain Obamacare requirements, and that's a key issue for Portman.
If we had more flexibility, we could come up with other creative ways to actually reduce those premiums further.
Brown said he wants to see more bipartisanship in the health care debate.
We could write a bill that stabilizes the insurance market, that gets more young, healthy people into the insurance pool. I'm hopeful that's what the House and Senate do with this new bill.
If the bill works its way through Congress, it's not clear if President Trump would sign it into law.
Not everyone supports this bill. There are some conservative lawmakers like Speaker Paul Ryan who say it is nothing more than a bailout for insurance companies. But Senators Alexander and Murray say that's not true. The bill is designed to help consumers, not insurers. Reporting live in Washington, Jessica Smith, NBC4.